In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android recovery mode. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android's recovery mode remains a vital failsafe for fixing system crashes. Whether you're stuck in a boot loop or seeing the no command screen, what you're going to do is firstly the no command bypass. So if you see a fallen Android robot with no command, your phone is in a waiting state. So press and hold the power button, then press the volume up button once and release both. This will reveal the actual text menu. If the menu is visible, use the volume buttons to highlight options and the power button to select. So highlight reboot system now and then press power. If the phone just loops back to this screen, it means your system partition is likely damaged or dirty. Then you can do the wipe cache partition, which is the safety fix. And this is the best way to fix a phone that won't boot without deleting your photos or apps. So scroll down to wipe cache partition and select it, then confirm wipe. Once finished, select reboot system now. This clears out temporary update files that might be blocking the boot sequence. If your volume or power buttons are stuck or broken, you can force an exit using a computer. So to connect your phone to a PC or Mac via USB, open up the command prompt and type in ADB reboot and just have a space between ADB and reboot. And the phone will receive a command to skip the recovery triggers and attempt a normal restart. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.